let us understand what are arithmetical operators in Python. Actually, operators are nothing but special symbols that are used for mathematical calculations. Generally, we use them for many types of arithmetical operations. Let me to assign some values. 10 is assigned to a memory variable A and 5 is assigned to other memory variable B, and we are using a symbol plus. 15 symbol is used for addition. Hyphen symbol is used for subtraction. Use the asterisk symbol for multiplication. Okay, slash used for dividing one value by the other. Okay, now we come to the modulus symbol. It will display the remainder 0. 10 is divided by 5 and the remainder will be 0. This is also an arithmetical operator called floor operator. It will display the quotient. 10 will be divided by 5 and the quotient 2 will be displayed. Okay, these are the arithmetical operators. One more arithmetical operator, double asterisk. Look at what the output comes. 1 and 5 zeros. 5 is assigned as a power to the 10, also called exponentiation operator. Now we come to the comparison operator. We write the statement like this: print A greater than B. We are asking to the interpreter that is the value of A is greater than B. So what the value of A? Value of A is 10 and value of B is 5. Means A is greater than B. It is true. So naturally output will come true. This is another comparison operator. Means we are asking to the interpreter, is the value of A is equal to the value of B? What it gives as output? No, false. Because the value of A is 10 and value of B is 5. So naturally they are not equal, and that's why it displays false. One more comparison operator is not equal to. If the value of A is not equal to B, it's true. I think true should come. Okay, true. If anybody asks you what the difference between arithmetical operator and comparison operator, you can say that the output of the arithmetical operator comes in the form of numbers, but the output of the comparison operator comes in the form of either true or false. Okay, now we come to the assignment operator. We are already familiar with the assignment operator. Equal to is used for assignment operator. We have assigned the value of B to A, and in the next line we are giving instruction to print the value of A. What it gives? 5. The value of B is 5 and that is assigned to A, and that's why it displays 5. We come to the another assignment operator. This is equivalent to this. The value of A and B will be added together. The value of A will be added first, then assigned to A. Output should be 15. Yes, it comes 15. If you minus equal to assignment operator, means the value of A will be subtracted first and then assigned. Should be 5. Okay. If we change like this, modulus operator, means the value of A will be modulus first and then will be assigned to A. Modulus operator, it gives the remainder. We are already familiar. Remainder is 0. It is correct because when the 10 is divided by 5, remainder comes 0. Use the floor operator. The floor operator gives quotient. The value of A will be divided by 5 and what the quotient comes, that will be assigned. I think these assignment operators are also clear to you. Now we come to the another type of operator, that is identity operators. These operators are used for comparing the memory locations. All know that A is representing a memory location and B is also representing a memory location. A is B means we are asking the interpreter, is the memory location A and the memory location B is same? But naturally it is not same, because A is representing a specific memory location and B is representing the other memory location. So it will give the output false, because both are not representing the same memory location. If we write A is not B, means we already mentioning that A is not B. The memory locations are not same. It will display true. Okay. These are identity operators which are used in the Python language. Like and share this information to your friends, and have a request to please subscribe the channel also. Okay, thank you.